This is the easiest vitamin C product you'll ever make. There are so many different derivatives of vitamin C's you could formulate with, but this one is by far the easiest one I've found to formulate with because it doesn't have a lot of stability issues. You can even formulate with it without even using a preservative. So let me show you guys the easiest vitamin C product you'll ever make. Today, I'm going to be making a 30-gram batch, but I do have the formula up in the top left-hand corner of the screen, so you can use that to scale up or down the recipe. And if you don't know how to do that, I have a video linked down below that'll teach you how. I'm going to start with 26.85 grams of caprylic capric triglyceride, but you can use any oil you want, like olive oil, sunflower oil. And then I'm going to add in 3 grams of the tetrahexyl decyl ascorbate. Sorry if I didn't pronounce that right, but you need this specific vitamin C. And then lastly, this ingredient is optional, 0.15 grams of vitamin E. This is an antioxidant, so it will keep your oil fresh longer. So I do recommend it, but it's not necessary. It also has great benefits for the skin. And that is it. That is all you need to do to make this vitamin C facial oil. You can use it as a body oil too if you want. Whatever you want to do with it, it's great for face massages. That's typically what I'm using it for. And sorry, my camera was fuzzy, so I overlaid this footage from my phone. But it's best to use a dark container where light won't get to it. But I wanted to use this pretty bottle for you guys because it looks better on camera. And also, I just like it. So if you do use a bottle like this, keep it in a dark cabinet. But vitamin C is sensitive to light. But the good thing about this one is it's not as sensitive as other vitamin C derivatives, which is why I love it. It's also not as sensitive to oxygen either. So let me know if you thought this was easy and if you're gonna make it yourself. Also, subscribe if you enjoyed the recipe. Also, don't forget to go over and check out my Patreon where I post 2 exclusive videos every single month. So there are a ton of videos you can go over there and binge watch for only $5 a month. And for $10 a month, you can get a small business shout out, or maybe you have a YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and shout everybody out. Nature's Farm Girl, thank you so much. Let's Blend, thank you. HempyGirl.com, ShopLevi's.com or ShopLevi's.com. 7th House and Oak on Etsy, at Black Petal Beauty on Instagram, Owl and Lily on Etsy, ZayelaMoore.com, I hope I said that right, EmbraceBeautyEssentials.com, LegendaryBathandBody.com, at Stardust Bath and Body on Instagram, AstariApothecary.com, and Revega Cosmetics here on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for being a patron. Go sign up if you want a shout out or if you just want bonus content. The shout out tier might be full. It's full pretty often because I only have so much space in the description box to link to everybody.